With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so here's the question. Draw the graph for the three types of the natural selection. So let's draw the first one. This is the base. This will be the basis for all the graphs. So I'm going to draw it only once. And the basis is that the x-axis will occupy this. It will occupy the size of the animals, and the y-axis will be occupying the number of the individuals. Now in the graph, you can tell that the individuals, that the organism can either occupy so this is the basis of the graph. They can either occupy, this is the normal graph, that either they can occupy the middle zone, this is the middle zone, either they occupy the extreme two conditions, this area or this area, and this is the middle zone, that is the medium zone. This is we can consider this as the large area. This we can consider as a large area. Why? Because this is present on so you're going to move from the 0 to this side, then this of course will increase. This is the small size of the organism. This is the small size of the organism. Over here it is the large size of the organism. So if the organism, they occupy the median zone, like this over here, they have occupied the median zone rather than the extreme conditions like the small and the larger one were excluded out, and only the medium was occupied, then this kind will be called as the stabilizing selection. This is called as the stabilizing selection, that neither the individuals are present, neither the individuals are present on the right hand side or left hand side, rather they are occupying the middle zone. So this is called as the stabilizing selection. What is the next condition that can happen? Next condition can happen, they can occupy either of the extreme condition, that is they can either occupy the left hand side or the right hand side, that is it can happen like this. So this can be the graph or this can be the graph. Okay, so either that can be the graph or that can be the graph, like this. Okay, so this can be the graph or this can be the graph, that is they are occupying the extreme of the condition. So this is kind of the direction, they are occupying one particular direction, and hence this is called as the directional or progressive. This is directional or the progressive kind of the natural selection. Progressive natural selection. And it is also called as the centripetal selection. This is also called as the centripetal selection. Now there can be one more condition, that in this either this can happen or this can happen, this or this. There is one more condition, that the graph can occupy both the peaks, that is it can occupy like this. It can be occupying both the peaks, extreme, both conditions are being occupied, that is a small area also and larger area also, rather than the medium one. Then this will be called as the disruptive. This is called as the disruptive type of the natural selection. Disruptive, this is also called as the diversifying. This is also called as the diversifying type of the natural selection. Why? Because in this what is happening? In this what is happening? The organism or the population is occupying the extreme of the condition. So it is a disruptive type of the natural selection. Okay, so these are the three different type of the natural selection I have explained. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.